this lump here, this is this island here. So, and this level, it's not really an island. It's actually there's a neck of land joining it to the shore at the moment. But this is proved prominent coming from either direction. So when you see this, you know where you're opposite, you know where we are. And